Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lang and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I've created Christmas candy look and I love how this look turned out. Please watch the video till the end to know how I created this look. Also do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get started. So guys, here's the complete look. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.